Are you ready to revolutionize your cleaning routine? In this video, I've got the inside scoop on cutting-edge cordless vacuum cleaning products that will transform your home into a sparkling haven. Say goodbye to stress and hello to the magic of effortless cleaning. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of these fantastic vacuums. First up, meet the FABULETTA cordless vacuum, boasting an impressive 24 kilopascal suction power, ultra-quiet operation, and a generous 45-minute runtime. Weighing a mere 3.3 pounds, it's designed for one-hand cleaning convenience. With features like a LED motorized brush, LED display, and a high-efficiency filtration system, it's a lightweight powerhouse for tackling pet hair and hard floors. Elevate your cleaning experience with the FABULETTA in a stylish blue finish. Next in line is the BuTure cordless vacuum cleaner, a robust cleaning solution equipped with a 500W brushless motor delivering an extraordinary 38 kilopascal suction power. The convenient charging dock ensures it's always ready for action, and the smart touchscreen allows for easy mode adjustments. With automatic suction adjustment for various surfaces, LED floor lights, and an impressive 55-minute battery life, it's perfect for comprehensive whole-home cleaning. Plus, enjoy worry-free after-sales support with 24/7 assistance and a generous 36-month warranty. Take your cleaning experience to new heights with BuTure. Now, let's introduce the LEVOIT cordless vacuum cleaner, your ultimate cleaning companion. Boasting a tangle-resistant design for hassle-free cleaning, up to 50 minutes of powerful suction, and versatile tools for pet hair and hard-to-reach places. Its lightweight build, easy maneuverability, and a 5-stage filtration system ensure an efficient, high-performance cleaning experience. Backed by a 2-year warranty, the LEVOIT vacuum is here to upgrade your cleaning routine seamlessly. Stepping into the spotlight is the BLACK+DECKER Power Series Plus cordless stick vacuum, a powerhouse specifically designed for carpets and stairs, providing up to 25% more pickup. Revel in 40 minutes of runtime, AutoSense technology for optimal suction, and LED floor lights for uncovering hidden dirt. With compact storage, anti-tangle brush bar, and easy conversion to a hand vacuum, cleaning becomes a breeze. Say goodbye to inefficiencies and welcome convenience with the white Beach FA 420J model. Now, let me introduce the BuTure JR700 Pro cordless vacuum cleaner, featuring a powerful 500W motor, 38 kilopascal suction, and a wall-mounted charging dock for hassle-free charging. Enjoy a generous 55-minute runtime, color touchscreen controls, and versatile accessories for a smarter cleaning experience. With a tangle-free floor brush, LED lights, and multi-layer filtration, it's your perfect cleaning companion for pet hair, carpets, and hard floors. Upgrade your cleaning routine with the BuTure JR700 Pro. Our next contender is a powerful cordless vacuum cleaner featuring a 500W motor for an impressive 40 kilopascal suction. The sleek LED touch display, coupled with a remarkable 60-minute runtime, sets it apart. The V-shaped flexible brush and 5-stage filtration ensure efficient cleaning, while the large 1.5L dust cup adds unmatched convenience. Experience the latest in cordless cleaning technology for hassle-free, powerful, and time-saving cleaning solution in your home. Now, let's explore the Laresar Elite 7 cordless vacuum, offering a formidable 38 kilopascal suction, a 60-minute runtime, and a smart touchscreen. With the latest motor and V-shaped brush, it effortlessly tackles all surfaces. The enhanced battery, LED display, and 7-stage filtration contribute to a cleaner, healthier home. Elevate your cleaning with the Laresar Elite 7. Introducing the Halostar Stick Vac, an incredibly lightweight powerhouse at just 2.18 pounds, offering 20 kilopascal strong suction with 3 versatile modes. Enjoy a 50-minute runtime, easy empty dust container, and hassle-free setup. Ideal for quick, efficient cleaning on various surfaces, this cordless vacuum comes with a range of attachments for a customized cleaning experience. Say goodbye to cords and bags with the Halostar. And last but not least, meet the Vactidy V9 cordless vacuum. Equipped with a 250W brushless motor, a 45-minute runtime, and 6-in-1 versatility for hardwood floors, low-pile carpets, and pet hair. With a removable battery and advanced filtration, this lightweight vacuum ensures efficient and convenient cleaning. Easy to use, easy to charge, making house cleaning a breeze. But wait, there's more. Introducing the Shark CH963 AMZ2 in 1 Pet Pro cordless handheld vacuum, a powerhouse with ultra-cyclone suction, weighing just 2.8 pounds for ultimate portability. Effortlessly handle above-floor messes or quick floor cleanups with 2 powerful cleaning options. The docking station ensures upright storage, while features like Clean Touch Dirty Eject, XL Dust Cup, and deep cleaning accessories make it a versatile cleaning companion. Experience reliable lithium-ion power, easy maintenance, and a complete accessory set for a pristine home and car. And with that, we've reached the end of this video. If you found these cordless vacuums intriguing and helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support means the world to me. Stay connected by following me on social media. Exciting things are coming, and I can't wait to share them with you. Thanks again for watching.